Hello everyone, Bomb here. Today we're going to be playing a Kirby related game called Kirby's Avalanche. And yes, this is on the Switch. See, competition. Learning stage. And yes, it does have dialogue in it. Hi Wallaby, are you ready? Can we just walk together? The forest scares me. Sorry, rules are rules. I believe this is for beginners, like those who are new to Kirby's Avalanche. Sorry if the camera's a little shaky. Oops. Rewind. Oops. Haha. Oh yeah. I win. Don't mind the camera is shaky. Just saying. Yes, I believe this is the only one of the Kirby games that has dialogue in it, which kind of surprising. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Haha. No. No, no. No, 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 no. Ah! Sorry. Sorry, guys. I think I kind of panicked a bit. Yeah, you know what? I think I should just wrap this up to cool myself down, to make sure I don't blow myself up on camera because, well, since I'm called Bomb, I literally explode like a bomb. So, hope you enjoyed this video. So, Birds Epic Adventures Season 2 coming soon. One more thing. The reason the birds and the pigs don't do videos much as well. Lack of motivation and other stuff. And well, that's kind of it. So, I apologize if there's been a lack of videos. So, yeah, that'll be it for this video. So, stay tuned for episode 2. If you want to see more of these videos, like, comment, and subscribe, turn on notifications, whatnot. So, this is Bomb, signing off. Ouch.